Okay, everyone, what happens if you pull a fire alarm for fun in any public building? Well, I will tell you. If you are a very young kid, you will not get into trouble because you are not old enough to understand how bad it is. But if you are 18 years old and older and you pull that alarm for fun, you will get arrested by the police. And if you are in elementary school, you will get into serious trouble. You will get grounded by your parents. You will get suspended and expelled from school. And you will have your electronics or anything taken away from you. And if you have your own fire alarms at home, your own fire alarms at home will definitely be taken away from you because you are not responsible with fire alarms in a public building if you tamper with them. So, this is why you do not tamper with fire alarms in a public building for any reason. No matter how old you are, I would not recommend that you pull fire alarms for fun. Because doing that wastes the fire department's time, and that could be highly dangerous because if there is a real fire somewhere else and the fire department could not be at that real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm for fun, because of you, people are dying, and that is not okay at all. Remember, fire alarms are only to be pulled when there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled, legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not pull the fire alarm. Bye.